Theorem number 1. If two sides of a triangle are equal, the angles opposite to them are also equal. If two sides of a triangle, are equal, then the angle opposite to them are also equal. Theorem number 1. Then theorem number 2, right now. If two angles of a triangle are equal, the sides opposite to them are also equal. Already we explained these all things. Then exercise 10A. The figure alongside AB is equal to AC, angle A is equal to 48 degree and angle ACD is equal to 18 degree. Show that BC is equal to CD. (10A) Question number 1. D, we have 48 degree. This is 18. Then B, 3. Figure alongside AB is equal to AC given. Angle A is equal to 48. Angle ACD is equal to 18. Show that BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. We have to prove. So how can we start? Since AB is equal to AC, what will be? Write down. Since AB is equal to AC, what we can write using theorem number 1. Angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. So which two angles will be equal? Hello, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. AB is equal to AC, therefore, how can we represent that as angle? AB is equal to AC means opposite of AB. Which angle is opposite of angle side AB?
C.
Angle C, that is?
C.
Angle C is equal to angle B. Write down.
Angle B.
Since AB is equal to AC, angle C is equal to angle B. Consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Since angle B is equal to angle C, we can replace angle C as angle B. Both are equal. Is equal to 180 degree. That is, since angle B is equal to angle C, that's why we wrote like this way. Any doubt in this? Is it clear, all of you? So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is given as 48 degree. So instead of angle A, we can replace it as 48. 48 degree plus 2 angle B is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle B is equal to 180 minus 48 value. 2 angle B is equal to what?
$132.
132. So angle B is equal to 132 divided by 2, which is equal to 66 degree. Angle B, we got it as 66 degree. Since angle B is equal to angle C also will be what? 66 degree. So angle C, the total we got it as what? Total we got it as 66 degree. I marked 2 lines there. 66 degree. Then how can we find the remaining? What we had to find out? BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD we have to find out. So what we have to do? We have 18 degree and 48 degree. Then what will be? Angle CDB. If we consider triangle ACD, this triangle, consider ACD, then which will be the exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So which angle will be the sum of 48 and angle?
18 degree.
Which one?
40 degree plus 18 degree.
48 plus 18.
Is what?
Angle CDB.
CDB, this angle. I mark 3 lines. So right now consider triangle. Consider triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD. So CDB is the here. C angle CDB, we can take it as an exterior angle. Here angle CDB is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. For your knowledge only I wrote like this way. Angle CDB is here exterior angle. So how can we write? Angle A plus angle C, isn't it? Angle A, exterior angle is equal to what? Exterior angle
Sum of
is
angles.
equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So exterior angle is equal to, exterior angle is what? CDB. And CDB is equal to sum of opposite interior angles means angle A plus angle C, isn't it? So angle A plus angle C means we can't write angle A. So angle DAC plus C means not the whole angle. What is that? C.
Angle AC.
AC.
Angle
ACD. ACD. Or you can directly write which one without writing this, directly write 48 plus 18. For exam, you can directly write which one? 48 plus 18. 48 plus 18 is what? Angle CDB is equal to what? 48 plus 18.
66.
66.
60.
66.
So we got CDB as this one as 66 degree. That means what? Two angles we got. We want to find the sides. Which two sides are equal? We have to find out. CD is equal to BC. CD. Look at CD. CD is equal to BC. We have to find out. So opposite of that. Opposite of this is 66 degree. And opposite of CD is 66 degree. Next step, how can we write? Since angle CDB is equal to angle B, CDB is equal to angle B, which is equal to 66 degree. We can write instead of angle CDB, we can write in terms of the sides. So angle CDB opposite side is which one? BC is equal to opposite of angle B is what? CD.
BC.
BC or CD. Therefore, BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. Don't study this by heart, just understand what. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Once again, watch the video and do it do it your own. Okay. Question number 2. Take your pencil just to try it. After that, we can write. Then what are the things given? Angle AC, we have to find out what. Calculate angle ADC, angle ABC, angle BAC. ADC. ADC means this angle we have to find out. Then angle ABC. ABC means the total angle. ABC. Then BAC. ABC means ABC. BAC means this total angle. So how can we? 130 is given. So what will be the next C?
Sum of
180 minus
triangle
120.
Sum of angle is equal to 180.
That is
So,
linear concept. So this angle will be what? This angle we can write it as 180 minus
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 130.
130 degree.
that is 50 degree we will write. Then don't write first, listen. Then two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal? AD is equal to if we consider triangle
DC.
ADC. If we consider triangle ADC, two sides are equal. That means which two angles will be equal?
Angle ACD equal to angle DAC.
DAC. This angle is equal to which one? Angle ACD. That means angle ACD is, we got it as 50 degree. So automatically which angle? This angle will be 50 degree. Then if you are considering this triangle ADC, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So what will be D?
180 degree minus 100.
Minus 50 plus 50.
Plus 50. 180 minus 100. No. 180 minus 100 which is equal to
180.
80
80 degree.
plus 80 degree. So that is our first part, ADC. Then how can we do the next one? Again, two sides are given. We got which two, this two sides are
Exterior angle equals to sum of interior angles.
exterior angle is equal to sum. Exterior angle means if you are considering triangle ADB, if you are considering ADB, we got 80 degree. So that is the exterior angle. 80 degree is the what? exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle means which are the sum? This two, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So angle, which one? Simply I will write it as angle A and angle B. That is, if you are considering triangle ADB, these two. Sum of angle A plus angle, sum of angle A and angle B is what? 80 degree exterior angle. We have what? BD is equal to what? AD. Given BD is equal to AD, opposite of the side is what? If you are considering this triangle ADB, opposite of BD is what? Angle A, no? And opposite of AD is what? Angle
Angle B.
B. So these two angles are equal. Isn't it? Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will replace this angle A as angle B.
Angle B.
BAD, and instead of B we can write it as ABD. Okay, angle ABD. If you are considering triangle ADB. So since BD is equal to AD, we can write what? Angle BAD will be equal to angle ABD. Any doubt in this? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Then BAD is equal to angle ABD means what we can write? Instead of angle
ABD we can write angle
Right,
B.
BAD.
BAD. That is BAD plus ABD we can replace it as BAD
Yes,
itself.
angle BAD.
BAD itself. It is equal to 80 degree. That is 2 angle BAD is equal to 80
degree.
BAD
is
80 divided by 2
Divided by
is equal to 40.
40 degree.
that means BAD we got it as 40 degree. That means what? ABD also will be what? 40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree.
Understood. What we have to find out? BAD.
Angle
What BAD? Second part of BAD we got 40 degree. Then third part BAC third part. BAC. How can we find BAC? Already we got no.
40
BAC will
plus
be
50 degree.
40 plus 50 which is equal to 90 degree. So third part. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Others want to repeat? Can we write?
Yes, ma'am, we can write.
Okay. So where we reach anything we wrote? No. We wrote anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Right. Angle ACD, angle ACE is equal to given angle AC is equal to 130 degree. Therefore, angle ACE plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Linear pair. Reason. Angle ACD, don't write therefore the given angle ACE is equal to 130 degree. Angle ACE plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Substitute 130 degrees plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 130. So, angle ACD is equal to what? 50 degree. ACD is equal to, now we got this as 50 degree. Also given AD is equal to DC also given AD is equal to DC. So for that, otherwise it will make it. Okay, consider triangle ADC. Consider triangle ADC. Also given AD is equal to DC. Consider triangle ADC. Since AD is equal to AC, since AD is equal to what we can write?
Angle DAC equal to angle ACD.
AD is equal to, sorry, DC. No? AD is equal to DC. AD is equal to DC angle. ACD is equal to angle AC.
DAC.
So ADC we have what? ADC is equal to what? We have to find out. Or what? ACD we have no. So instead of this
50
50 degree we replace, that is angle DAC. So angle DAC we got it as 50 degree. 50 degree. The next step what we can write? Sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So same triangle we are considering ADC. So which are the three angles? Adjust and write. A, D, C, three angles. Sum is 180 degree. So write the vertex, both vertex. So angle
DAC.
Angle DAC plus.
Angle ADC.
Okay, angle ADC plus.
Angle ACD.
Angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. So angle DAC is what? 50 degree plus angle ADC we don't know plus angle ACD is again 50 degree which is equal to 180 degree. So for angle ADC plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 100 which is equal to 80 degree. That is ADC we got it as 80 degree. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, consider triangle. Which triangle? This one. ADB. Then only we can say, now we got which one? 80 degree. That we can consider it as an exterior angle if we consider ADB. So consider triangle ADB. ADB. Here angle ADC will be the exterior angle. No. Here we take what? Here is the exterior angle. We know sum of in the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So exterior angle is what? Angle ADC is equal to angle, these two angles, no? Which are the angles? A and B. So adjust and write. Which will be that? We are considering triangle ADB. Remaining two vertex. Angle BAD
BAD.
plus
BAD.
angle
ABD.
ABD is equal to angle ADC. Angle ADC we have 80 degree plus we can't write anything. So what we have to write here? Hmm?
AD is equal to BD.
Since given or since BD is equal to AD is given, so we can write what? BD is equal to AD is given instead of BD angle. B
Angle BAD.
is equal to angle
Angle ABD.
AB. So this we can replace here. Angle BAD plus angle ABD we can write it as what? BAD itself. Angle BAD plus angle BAD. So reason you write here itself. In this line. That's why we wrote angle ABD as BAD. So 80 degree is equal to 2 angle BAD.
Angle
So BAD is equal to
80 degree divided by 2.
which is equal to 40 degree.
40.
BAD to here we got it as 40 degree.
Therefore, angle ABD also equal to 40 degree.
Is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle ABD is also will be 40 degree. So second part. For answer, you draw a line. That is better. That is answer. Second part answer. First part is which one? Angle ADC. That also you 80 degree. ABD we got it as 40 degree. That is a no. Which is the second part? Angle ABC only. No. ABD. ABC only. That means what? ABD is equal to 40 degree means we have to find out what our question is. Second part. A, B, instead of
ABC.
D, it is extending. No. So same angle only. That is angle ABC is equal to what?
40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree. Instead of D, we are writing C. That's all. That is that you have to underline. Angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees. Then third part is angle
BAC.
BAC. Angle BAC is equal to what? Angle BAD plus
BAD plus DAC.
is equal to 40 plus 50 is equal to
90 degree.
angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Understood, no? Now you are in a track or not?
Yes, ma'am.
We can do together. No? Next question onwards, we can do together. Okay. Step by step, we can do. Okay. So, third question. Draw that figure. After finding one angle, we can write. Then after that, we can find another angle. 128 degree. DE, BC. Both are parallel lines given. Then join DC. This side and this side are equal. In the following figure, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC is given. AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal given. AC. BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD is given. DE is parallel to BC. Calculate angle CDE. CDE we have to find out this one. Then DCE. DCE. This one. 3 lines. Then. Okay, we have only 128. So from there we have to go, no? 128. Since or given, which one you want to write? Given angle FAD is equal to what? Angle FAD is equal to 128 degree.
128 degree.
So this we can write now. That angle will be what?
So sum of angles is equal
Linear.
to 1
180 minus
180
128.
degree. So 180 minus 128 degree is equal to 52.
Angle FAD plus which angle? Angle DAE is equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. Linear pair, isn't it? FAD we got it as 128 plus angle DAE is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DAE is equal to 180 degree minus 128, which is equal to what?
52.
So this angle we got it as 52 degrees. Any doubt in this? Clear now?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then consider triangle ABC. So if you have any doubt, please tell me. Again, I want to write the before rubbing. Please tell me. So consider triangle ABC. Up to this completed? If not, please tell me. Consider triangle ABC. What is given? Consider triangle ABC. What is given? AB is equal to AC is given. Or given. First you can write given. AB is equal to AC. Since AB is equal to AC, what we can write? Angle opposite to that particular side. Angle C is equal to
Angle B.
angle B. Again, we can apply the concept of sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree if we consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Whole triangle we are considering. That is why I am writing ABC only. This A means what? BAC. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle A we have what? Now we have 52 plus. Since angle B is equal to angle C, we can replace angle C as angle B. No? So
Yes,
angle B plus angle B itself is equal to 180 degree. Reason you write since angle B is equal to angle C. That's why we wrote angle C as angle B. Already we have. So 52 degree plus 2 angle B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2 angle B is equal to 180 minus 52. How much? What will be angle B?
128.
128 degrees. So angle B is equal to 128 by 2, which is equal to 64 degree. That is angle C also will be 64 degree. So this we got it as 64. This whole we got it as what? Whole angle we got it as 64.
64.
We want to find only that small c, no? Angle DCE only we have to find out. Then again two sides are given, no? If we consider which triangle. We have two theorems. So using that two theorems, we can move. So again two sides. Which triangle we can consider? Two sides are equal. So
Triangle DBC.
DBC. Up to this understood, I think. Can I run?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we have AB is equal to AC we have. So that's why we wrote that all things. Then again we have which one? These two. So for that consider triangle BDC. BDC given what? Given BC
is equal to CD.
Therefore, we can write angle BDC will be equal to what? Angle DBC, isn't it? Okay. DBC. That means angle B. What angle? Angle B, isn't it? So that we can replace it as what? This angle. Center only that angle, no? So look at that figure.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this angle DBC? We have the value. What is that value?
64 degree.
That is DBC is 64. That means we got angle ABC. No, that only. Angle ABC. That is 64 degree. We got. That is angle BDC is equal to what? 64 degree. BDC we got 64. So one more point is given. So for doing this, think of what we have to do. First we started from what is given, value given 128. So started from there and we got 52. The next clue is given what? What is given? Next clue. Two sides equal. Two sides are equal. That big triangle, two sides are equal. So we took what? Opposite angles will be equal. So that completed. Then again one more clue is there.
D is parallel to BC.
No. Third point. Again two sides given. That's why we took which one? Opposite of this is equal. Third point, third side. If we consider triangle BDC, that also we have completed. Since BDC is equal to 64, BDC is equal to, now we got this as 64 degree, isn't it? BDC is equal to 64. Then one more point is given. What are the clues given in the question? Tell me. That is better. Simply sitting and only one or two in the class. Others simply sitting. What are the clues given in the question? Tell me. All of you.
AB is equal to AC.
Okay, AB is equal to AC. So that's why we consider which one? That big triangle to apply theorem number 1. Then first one.
AC is
B
equal to
is equal
CD.
to CD.
AC is equal to
CD.
DC is equal to BC. DC is equal to BC. That also we have. Then that's why we apply theorem number 1. So 2 clue. Then first clue is which one? 128 degree. Third one. Then one more is given. One more point is there.
D is parallel to
D
BC.
is parallel to BC.
Since BC is equal to, since BC parallel to DE and DC is the transversal and DC is the transversal, what we can write? Anything? Transversal? Angle CDB, we got it now. CDE we have or CDB we have. This point is given. Then that means these two are parallel lines. So before doing this, one more point you can add. Which one? Don't know. These two angles, since it is these two are parallel lines of these two angles sum will be what? Any idea? No. This angle B, if we are considering this quadrilateral, that means this we can say it as a trapezium, no? Trapezium, one pair of parallel sides. Trapezium, that is angle B, this one, angle B plus angle D whole plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equal to what?
64 degree.
64.
64 degree. Then angle B we don't have, angle D we don't have, full angle we don't have. So we have to divide this. Angle D we can divide as what? Plus angle D we can divide as angle BDC. Angle BDC plus what? Divide that angle D.
Angle
Line is there, no? BDC plus
Angle EDC.
okay, angle CDE. Okay, angle CDE or EDC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because BDC we have. BDC we have. That's why we wrote like this way. 64 plus BDC is 64 plus CDE we don't have. CDE is equal to 180 degrees. So CDE we will get. CDE we will get. If we get CDE, we will get which one? Parallel, transversal, alternate angles. So this angle we will get. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down. BCDE is a trapezium. Since BCED is a trapezium, that means a quadrilateral. That is better. Quadrilaterals. So angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. This is a property of quadrilateral. Then write down 64 plus angle D, split angle D. Angle BDC plus angle CDB. So what will be angle CDE? CDE is what? (64 plus 64). 128 plus
128.
128.
180
So
degrees.
180 minus 120.
180 minus 128. 52.
52. So this angle we got it as 52. Since BC parallel to DE and DC is the transversal. Since BC
Angle EDC equal to angle DCB.
transversal, angle CDE is equal to angle CDE will be equal to angle BCD.
BCD.
CDE we have 52. Angle CDE is equal to 52 degree. Therefore, angle BCD is also 52 degree. BCD is equal to 52 degree. What we have to find out? Angle CDE 52 we have. No, CDE 52. Then what will be? BCD. BCD, this we got it as 52 degree. Total 64 we have. What will be the remaining? Which one we have to find out? This angle, no. BCE angle BCE is equal to the sum of BCD angle BCD, that C you split, plus angle DCE. BCE we have full angle BCE 64 is equal to this angle. I am telling about this two, C, E, here B, here D. The whole angle C is the sum of what? These two. BCD plus BCD is what? Now we got it as what?
52 degree.
52
50,
degree.
52 degree.
DCE we have to find out. That is our second part. So angle DCE is equal to 64 minus
64 minus 52 is equal to 12.
12. So this is 12. So first part is angle CDE. CDE is the first part, no? CDE 52. Second part is what? DCE 12 degree. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.